You already know that during independent reading time, you will be reading a book silently and thinking about your reading. You will also share your thinking about your books with your classmates and your teacher. One way to share your thinking is by talking about your reading. When we turn and talk, we look at our partner, we tell about what we're thinking, we listen carefully to what our partner is saying, we ask questions to clarify, which means to understand what your partner is saying, and we also give reasons and details for why we're thinking what we are. This year, you will learn how to write about your thinking in many ways as well. One place to write about your thinking is in your reader's notebook. As you can see on my screen here, your reader's notebook is going to be your best friend during this time. I want you to make sure you're paying attention to the tabs along the top of our notebooks because that depends on which section we will be working in. For reading today, I want you to remember to read the book silently. When we come back together, you will have the opportunity to talk about what you were thinking as you read. Sometimes you will also write about your thinking about your writing. You'll talk about your thinking about your reading in your reader's notebook.